Welcome back to Amazing Car, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cars, trucks, and everything in between. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Ford F-150, one of the most iconic pickup trucks in the world, with a rich history and a commitment to innovation. The 2025 model continues to push boundaries in design, performance, and features. Let's explore everything this powerhouse of a truck has to offer. Exterior overview. Before we jump into the interior, let's quickly appreciate the exterior. The 2025 F-150 continues to maintain its rugged and muscular look, while still retaining the iconic Ford F-150 design. It has been updated with a more modern front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a sleeker body shape. This truck means business, with a bold stance and aggressive lines that command attention on the road. Interior design. Now, let's step inside the 2025 Ford F-150 and talk about what makes its interior a class apart. Ford has really focused on blending comfort with functionality. The cabin features premium materials, including leather upholstery, high-quality plastics, and soft touch surfaces, giving it a refined feel while still being durable enough to withstand the demands of a working truck. One of the most striking features of the 2025 F-150's interior is the spaciousness, with plenty of room for both driver and passengers. This truck offers an unparalleled level of comfort, whether you're on a long road trip or just running errands. The seats are designed to keep you comfortable for hours. Ford has also included heated and ventilated seating options, which are perfect for any weather. Tech and infotainment. Moving on to technology, the 2025 Ford F-150 is loaded with cutting-edge features. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the massive 12-inch digital display, offering intuitive controls and clear, vibrant visuals. It's paired with a Sync 4 infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated navigation. The system is faster and more responsive than ever, keeping you connected while you're on the go. Another noteworthy feature is the available 360-degree camera system, which helps you park and navigate tight spaces with ease. If you're into towing or hauling, you'll love the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which makes hitching a trailer a breeze. With all these advanced tech features, the 2025 F-150 proves it's as much about innovation as it is about power, performance and capability. Speaking of power, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 F-150 offers a range of engine options to suit your needs, from a fuel-efficient 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 to the robust 5.0-liter V8. There's also the hybrid powertrain option for those looking for more efficiency without sacrificing capability. With a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, this truck can haul just about anything you need, whether you're towing a boat, camper, or heavy equipment. The F-150 has you covered. Safety and features. When it comes to safety, Ford has equipped the 2025 F-150 with a full suite of driver assistance features. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. For added peace of mind, there's an available adaptive cruise control system, which makes long highway drives a lot more relaxing. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The 2025 Ford F-150 combines power, technology, and comfort in a way that only Ford can. Whether you're using it for work or play, this truck is ready to take on any challenge. From its cutting-edge tech to its legendary performance, the 2025 F-150 continues to set the bar for full-size pickups. If you're in the market for a truck that offers the best of both worlds, the 2025 F-150 might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Catch you in the next video.